Iqembu le-MK Party ke siqinisekise-ke abantu ukuthi-ke nakanjani buningi ubufakazi ebunabo ezobuthatha-ke libungeze kulobu-ke ebunabo. MK Party-ke lapha-ke ihoxiseka amacala kade lwabhekise IEC khalaza-ke amavoti angazange abalwe kahle ngesikhathi-ke sokhetho ka-29 Meyi ku-2024. MK Party-ke iqembu-ke lesithathu elikhulu-ke eNingizimu Afrika nasephalamende. Lokhu-ke kuvezwe izibalo-ke zango-29 Meyi-ke ngesikhathi khishwa-ke izibalo zokhetho. MK Party biyade namacala-ke wabhekise kwi-IEC kepha seyinqume ukuba-ke lapha-ke wahoxisa-ke ngezathu-ke eziyinqala-ke nezibadlekile. uNhlamulo Ndlela umkhulumeli weqembu uthi-ke kuningi ababhokisisile noma babukisisile ngenhloso ukuba-ke bahlale phansi babuyele emuva kuyolanda futhi obunye ubufakazi obuqandula ikhanda okuzongeza kulo bufakazi abanabo kumanje. Uthi-ke akafuni ukuyiphatha indaba ye-DA njengoba-ke kuma isephinduke yaba abangani benkantolo kepha-ke uthi-DA yazuza kulo bugebengu nobuqili nobuqhophololo benzeka ngesikhathi-ke kubala-ke amavoti. Uthi ufakazi nabo buqandula ikhanda futhi kunezinkulumo eziqoshiwe ama-voice note abalwa lapha noma-ke avezwa ngesikhathi uhlelo-ke lokubala lithe ucisha-ke imizuzu noma-ke amahora amabili. uNhlamulo Ndlela uthi-ke kuningi abaphezu kwakho futhi akekho abazobavimba. Uthi ubufakazi bukhona futhi buyovezwa enkantolo. I-IEC yona-ke ithi iyazi ukuthi MK-ke inobufakazi obungaphelele-ke eceleni-ke kade libabeke lona.
You see that based on the responding or the answering affidavit and the information that you have, the evidence that you have, the discrepancies that have unfolded and then continue to unfold, by the way, because we have a team that continues to investigate this. We have been investigating it ever since the declaration of those results until today, until the day in which we have to actually present that evidence. But here's the reality. We know the evidence that we've submitted. We are in a position where now we believe we need to change the strategy because we don't want our case to be, dismissed on the basis of technicalities.
Okay.
And we could see that, if people are coming with an answering affidavit where they're trying to use technicalities in actual fact, not realizing they're opening up a can of worms, then we leverage that. Look, the evidence we have is in the form of the slips, okay, which we've collected from various VDs. And we've got a team that is working and collecting all of that. And we've collated all of that. And we've demonstrated certain discrepancies in terms of the votes that were voted against, in terms of what was voted and what was actually kept in the IEC system. So that's one. The other one is that we've mentioned that we've got voice notes of individuals who were calling each other during that 2-hour period. And we've got an audit report, an IT audit report, and a forensic report to that extent. So
what did the voice notes say?
No, I'm not going to touch on that. That will be presented in court. That's not our place for you and I to talk right now.
But they're not in this thing. Is this evidence in court? I mean, the DA joined the application, the IEC. The reason the DA and the IEC said, we don't think this will be a successful court case is because they said these people are bringing a case, but they're not bringing evidence to it.
What we find strange is that, don't forget, the same DA benefited from this rigging fact. So, and you'll see that when we actually present our case. So naturally, they'd want to protect the IEC because from where we're sitting and starting to point that they were probably colluding with the IEC. Fact. So until then, I'm not going to be touching on the DA and them all of a sudden wanting me friends of the court. No.